Have you ever noticed how some people effortlessly command attention and respect, even in challenging conversations, simply by the way they speak? A voice sounds both calm and firm when it embodies a combination of controlled pitch, deliberate pace, and clear articulation, all while maintaining steady breath support. This balance allows your message to be heard as authoritative without being aggressive, and reassuring without being weak. The core mechanism behind this vocal authority lies in your vocal cords and diaphragm. A calm voice comes from relaxed vocal cords and consistent airflow, preventing strain or shakiness. Firmness, however, doesn't mean shouting. It is achieved through good breath support from your diaphragm, which provides a steady, resonant tone, combined with clear and intentional articulation. This ensures each word lands with purpose, signaling confidence and conviction to your listener. To cultivate this vocal presence, try practicing diaphragmatic breathing exercises, where you breathe deeply into your belly rather than shallowly into your chest. When speaking, focus on slowing down your natural speaking rate just slightly and ensuring that you open your mouth enough to let sounds emerge clearly, rather than mumbling. Imagine your voice projecting from your core, filling the space with steady, even sound. One insider secret is to consciously lower your pitch slightly from its usual resting point. A lower pitch is often perceived as more authoritative and calming, while a higher pitch can convey anxiety or excitement. Additionally, paying attention to the prosody of your speech, which is the rhythm and intonation, helps. Avoid a monotone delivery, but also steer clear of dramatic fluctuations that could undermine your message. A consistent, grounded vocal tone establishes trust and invites cooperation. By mastering these simple vocal techniques, you empower yourself to navigate difficult conversations with grace and impact, ensuring your important messages are not only heard but also respected, leading to more productive and positive outcomes in all your interactions.